Okay.
Sir, what will we do today?
We will continue the chapter triangles. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So till which question we have done in the exercise 15B?
The question 6, I
The
think.
question six we have done. We have to start with 7.
Okay, question 6 we have done. We have to start.
The
7.
question 6.
Okay. Can you try question 7?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? You start then. It is easy. Start question 7. Payal beta, I think there is a cat sitting on your head today.
Sir, what we have to do?
Beta, we have to do question 7 of exercise 15B. So 19 students are there today, including Payal's cat. Can you see my shadow on the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me do something.
Sir.
Now.
No, sir.
No.
Sir, now we can't see your shadow.
Okay. Are you all doing question 7?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Angle ACD and angle ACB. These two are linear pair of angles.
Linear pair.
Yes.
Sir, we
So,
can do. It's very easy.
okay. The measure of angle ACD is 80 degrees. Anyone who's having any problem in this, I will tell you on the board. If you want to ask anything, I will help you. ACD is 80, and then angle in triangle ACD and triangle ACD, you have to find angle ADC also. ADC. So that angle you can find by using angle sum property. It will be 50. And finally angle TAE. angle DAE is an exterior angle of the triangle ACD. Okay, many students get confused that is it an exterior angle of, no, it is an exterior angle of triangle ABD, not ACD. Okay, so I will be doing it on the board.
Sir, there is also another way.
Yeah.
Sir, we can see that angle ABC and angle A is in that it is 40 degrees. Now 40 and 50 is 90. So rest angle will be 90. Angle EAD.
Yeah. For the last part, I will have to help you. First two parts are very simple. I hope you all are writing all the reasons also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So question 7. Okay, so first of all of you have to find the measure of angle ACD. ये वाला angle आपको निकालना है. All of you look at the board. Even those who have done, please just pay attention and just see, and you can just check your answers. Those who have done. Okay, concentrate on the board. So these two angles are linear pair of angles. This is 100. This angle you have to find out. So if the two angles are linear pair, then their sum is 180. So 100 plus angle ACD equals to 180. Therefore, angle ACD is equals to 80 degrees. So we have found this angle 80 degrees. Now you can take triangle ACD. You have to find angle ADC. Angle ADC. This is the angle ADC. In triangle ACD, the sum of angle CAD 50. So sorry, angle CAD is 50, angle ACD is 80. So in this triangle, if I use angle sum property, I can easily find the measure of angle ADC. So by using angle sum property, you get angle ADC equals to 50 degrees.
50.
Degrees. Sum of all the three angles is equal to 180. So therefore, angle ADC is equal to 50 degrees. Okay, now one angle is left, this one, angle DAE. You have to find the measure of angle DAE. This is the angle, last angle. Now, can you tell me this angle is exterior angle for which triangle? It is an exterior angle of which triangle? Angle DAE.
ABC.
Sorry?
Sir,
Sir, angle
Angle ABC.
ABD.
ABC.
Okay, I am giving you options. Angle DAE is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. First option, triangle ABC. Second option, triangle ADC. It is an exterior angle of triangle ADC. Or the third option, it is an exterior angle of triangle ABD. ABD.
Sir, triangle ABD.
ABD.
It is an exterior angle of which triangle?
Sir, triangle
Sir, ABD.
Option A,
ABD.
option A, option B, or option C? Which option?
Option C.
Option C.
C.
Option C.
Option C,
Sir,
correct.
option C.
Yes, you all are correct. It is an exterior angle. You can easily understand if I just remove the side AC. मैंने यहाँ से AC को गायब कर दिया. So this is E, this is point A, this is B, this is B. So this angle is an exterior angle for the triangle ABD. इसमें AC को मैंने यहाँ से गायब कर दिया, देख लीजिए. Okay, so it is an exterior angle of triangle ABD. Now, why it is an exterior angle of triangle ABD? Why it is not an exterior angle of triangle ACD? ACD का exterior angle क्यों नहीं?
Sir, because question is asking the exterior angle of DAE.
नहीं, it is angle DAE. Angle DAE को मैं triangle ABD का exterior angle क्यों बुला रहा हूँ? क्या मैं इसको triangle ACD का exterior angle नहीं बुला सकता? Triangle ACD कुछ ऐसे बना हुआ है, देखिए ध्यान से. It is something like this. यहाँ पर है C point.
No, sir,
Yeah.
because we are not producing lines CA in a
Yeah,
straight line.
We are not producing it straight.
Yes, exactly. इसीलिए ये इस ट्राइंगल का एक्सटीरियर एंगल नहीं है. मैंने यहाँ पर CA को प्रोड्यूस नहीं किया है. कौन सी साइड को प्रोड्यूस किया गया है यहाँ पर? कौन सी साइड को प्रोड्यूस?
BA.
BA को प्रोड्यूस करा.
BA.
And hence the angle is formed. If you produce the side BA, only then this angle DAE is formed. Exterior angle is formed. तो जिस साइड को प्रोड्यूस करा है BA को, वो कौन से ट्राइंगल में आती है? That is the side of triangle ABD. So we will take triangle ABD, not ACD. अब ABD की बात करते हैं, देखिए ध्यान से. Are you all getting my logic? What I am trying to explain?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
50. मे भी हो सकता है आप लोगों ने आंसर निकाल लिया हो सकता है कि किसी बच्चे को ये कॉन्सेप्ट ना क्लियर हो, सो दैट इज व्हाई आई एम क्लियरिंग इट. मे बी पॉसिबल है कि हो सकता है सभी को पता हो. स्टिल इट इज माय ड्यूटी टू टेल यू. सो दिस इज 40. यू कैन सी एंगल B is 40, angle D is 50, angle D is 50. What is the measure of this angle? It is the sum of opposite interior angles, so it will be 90 degrees. Got it, all of you? So you will write angle DAE. How will you write this? Angle DAE equals to angle B plus angle D. Reason? Exterior angle property. Okay. And now you put the values of angle B and angle D, 40 plus 50. So you get the measure of angle DAE.
90 degree.
90 degrees. Got it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir. Eighth is very easy. Can you try this on your own?
Sir, we can do in our own. Sir, please don't tell.
Okay, do it. You cannot take x as a variable here in this case because x is already used in the question. (130 degrees) y x z. The ratio of x and y is given 2:3. 2:3 is the ratio. So you will assume that let x equals to 2a. I'm taking a different variable a because the variable small a is not used in the question. So I cannot take x as a variable because x is already used in the question. I cannot take x here, so I have taken a 2a and y की value मैंने assume कर ली 3a. Okay. Now we know that x plus y will be equal to 130. Why 130? Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. X is equal to 2a, y is equal to 3a. So 5a equals to 130. A equals to
26.
26 degrees. This is the measure of A. Now you can find x and y both. X is equals to 2a, therefore x is equal to 52 degrees. Y is equal to 3a, so it will be 3 into 26, therefore 78 degrees y. And we know that z and 130, these are linear pair. So their sum will be 180. So from this you get z equals to 50 degrees. Write the reason. I have not written the reason here. You have to write it. Linear pair LP. मैंने शॉर्ट में लिख दिया. Write in full form. So x equals to 52, y equals to 78, and z equals to 50. The ratio of x and y is given in the question. 2:3 is the ratio which is given in the question. So we have assumed that x is equals to 2a and y is equal to 3a. Now exterior angle property, x plus y equals to 130. You can see from the triangle. These
So
are
when we get x and y values, sir, we can use our angle sum property
obviously you
for
can
finding.
use, yes. You can use angle sum property also to find z. Any method you can use. But the answer will be same.
Sir, done.
Okay, very good.
Sir, this exercise is done.
Okay. All of you done?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
In the next lecture, you all have a combined class with 7th A. I will be taking that lecture. Otherwise,
Sir,
which
after
period
this
is it? 4th period किसका होता है? Otherwise,
Sir,
Hindi
English creative.
Pankaj sir.
Pankaj sir.
Sorry,
Pankaj sir
Hindi
is
creative.
absent.
Pankaj
He
sir.
is absent today, and I will be taking
Okay,
that
sir.
4th one.
Okay.
Sir, in that, will we do revision or this chapter continue?
Let's see. If I will be telling you your doubts, if you have any doubts from the unit test syllabus, and I will also ask 7th A students if they have any doubts. If no student is having any doubt, if they don't have any doubt, I will be continuing with the chapter triangles. Okay, so the next property that we will use for the next exercise of this chapter 15C. Exercise 15C. Before starting the exercise, we have to Write a property of a triangle. Another property is there. So you can write down the heading. There is a property. The name of the property is triangle inequality. If you all have done this, write down the heading triangle inequality. Equality तो आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा.
Sir, what is the heading?
Triangle inequality. I am writing it on the board. Don't worry. Triangle inequality.
Sir, we have to write this in our notebook.
Yes, you have to write this in your notebook. Write down the heading and then write down the property. Let me use technology for this. Day by day, I am getting more technical, more advanced. So I'm going to use technology now. Can you see what I'm doing?
Yes, sir. Taking a pic.
Yeah. Can you see the technical improvement in me? Yeah, the property is, I have shared my screen. You can write down the property. Can you all see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
देखा कितना एडवांस हो गया मैं. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Don't write this in order to test the validity of the above statement. We perform the no don't we are not going to perform the experiment. Just write the first statement. Okay.
Sir, written.
Sir, written.
Very good.
Sir, writing.
Sir, only first line.
Yes, only the first line. Yeah. हटा दी मैंने सेकंड वाली लाइन. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side.
Sir, written.
Okay, written all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So the property, meaning of the property is that if there is a triangle ABC, let me explain the property. You have to draw the figure. You have to draw it. ABC is a triangle. The meaning of the property is that Suppose you know all the three sides of the triangle, the length of all the three sides, then you will always notice that the sum of any two sides, the sum of any two sides of the triangle is always greater than the third side. That means if I add the length of the side AB and AC, then their sum will be greater than the side BC. थर्ड साइड कौन सी बची यहाँ पर BC, तो इन दोनों का सम BC से बड़ा होगा. और we can also say that if I add AB and BC, AB और BC को अगर मैं यहाँ पर ऐड कर देता हूँ, then their sum will be greater than AC, तो वो AC से बड़ा होगा. और if I add AC and BC, AC और BC को ऐड कर दें, then the sum of these two will be greater than AB. यानी कि आप कोई भी दो साइड्स को ले लीजिए ट्रायंगल की, उन दोनों का सम थर्ड वाले से जरूर बड़ा होगा. ओके.
Sir, what if angle A is 30 and angle B is also 30 and the angle C is 120?
Then two
It
sides
will
will be
just
equal.
be
Then two sides
and
will be equal in length, but still their sum will be greater than the third one.
okay, sir.
दो sides की length equal होगी. It is possible that two sides are suppose of the length 6 centimeters and 6 centimeters. अगर angles 30 के, it is possible that the length of two sides are 6 and 6 each. और third वाली जो side है, we are talking about sides, not the angles.
Yes,
ठीक है?
sir.
We are not talking about angles. So अगर दो sides की length 6 है, तो थर्ड वाली मे बी इट इज पॉसिबल दैट कि वो थर्ड वाली 10 सेंटीमीटर्स की होगी, हो सकता है. बट 6 और 6 को आप ऐड करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? 12. यू कैन सी स्टिल द सम ऑफ द टू साइड्स इज ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड. ओके.
Yes,
So let
sir.
me explain this. You all have to draw
Sir,
this.
can they be equal?
No, not even equal. बड़ा ही होगा. So you note down this, and then I will explain this in detail.
Sir,
Noted.
noted.
So I'm going
Sir,
to explain
noted.
this in detail with the
Sir,
help
we
of.
will do any activity.
No, not any activity. I will help explain this with the help of some examples. No activity is required for this. You can try it if you want. You can just make some triangles at home, and you can any shape, any type of triangle you can try making at home. और अगर ऐसा करके दिखा दिया आपने कि दो साइड्स का सम थर्ड साइड से बड़ा, सॉरी छोटा करके दिखा दिया, अगर आपने ये प्रूव कर दिया कि दो साइड्स का सम थर्ड साइड से छोटा है, तो उस दिन से मैं पढ़ाना छोड़ दूंगा, अगर ऐसा करके दिखा दिया तो. ओके. सो
सर हम करके ही नहीं दिखाएंगे.
बेटा हो ही नहीं सकता, बिकॉज इट इज इम्पॉसिबल. सो लेट मी गिव यू सम एग्जांपल्स. अब मैं भी ऐसे सोच समझ के बोलता हूँ कि ऐसी बातों में बोलता हूँ ना, ये वाली बात कि मैं पढ़ाना छोड़ दूंगा, जो बातें इम्पॉसिबल होती हैं. अगर कोई चीज पॉसिबल होगी तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा ऐसा, बहुत चालाक हूँ मैं. 5, 6 और 7. Suppose the length of the sides are 5, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 7 centimeters. Okay. मान लीजिए, don't draw this. You don't have to draw this in your copies. आपको अपनी कॉपी में नहीं बनाना है. It is just for explanation, just for you to make this topic clear. 5, 6 और 7 है मान लीजिए three sides. Now if you add any two sides, मान लो मैंने इन दोनों sides को ऐड करा, तो 5 plus 6 कितना मिला मुझे? 11. 5 plus 6 कितना आया? It is
11.
11. So you can see that the sum of these two sides, 11, is greater than 7 centimeters. Okay. Third side से बड़ा है 7. Okay. If I add side PR and QR, अगर इन दोनों को ऐड कर दूं मैं, PR और QR को, PR plus QR, 6 plus 7, the sum is
13.
13. क्या ये side PQ से बड़ा है?
Yes, sir.
It is greater. If I add the side
Yes, sir.
PQ and QR, PQ and QR, if I add these two sides, PQ and QR, 5 plus 7,
12.
it is 12. Again, it is greater than the third side, PR. Okay. So you take any type of triangle, whether it is a right triangle, equilateral triangle, या फिर isosceles triangle, any type of triangle you can take.
Scalene triangle.
Scalene triangle, obtuse angle triangle, कैसा भी triangle ले लीजिए. ओके, नव्या की बात भी अभी हम यहाँ पर डिस्कस कर. नव्या ने बोला था, किसने बोला था? टू
Yes,
एंगल्स
sir.
ऑफ वो
Yes,
भी
sir.
यहाँ पर डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. So ABC, let us suppose that there is a triangle ABC in which this angle is 30, this is 30. So obviously if two angles are 30, the third angle will be 120. Angle sum properties हमने third angle निकाल लिया 120. But we are not talking about angles in this case. Angles में दो angles का sum तो third angle से छोटा हो सकता है. We are talking about sides, not about the angles. If suppose this side is 5, this is 5, तो दोनों 5 5 की हैं, then third side will be less than 10. तो third side आएगी वो, it could be 8 or 9, something like this. मान लीजिए third side आपकी 8 आ गई. Still you can see that if I add the side AB and AC, 5 plus 5 कितना हो गया? 10. So is 10 greater than 8? Yes. Third side से
Yes,
बड़ा.
sir.
Okay. So sides का sum third side से बड़ा होगा. कोई भी दो sides का sum third side से बड़ा होगा.
Sir,
Sir,
can
अगर
all the
equal
sides
हो
be same?
Yes,
sir,
obviously.
if it's equal,
एक मिनट बेटा, एक मिनट रुको, अभी सारी बातें बताता हूँ, ठीक है?
But sir, their sum will not be equal.
no
हाँ.
sir, it can be. I have tested.
Just wait, let me complete this. I will clear all your doubts. So, if two sides are added, then their sum is greater than the third side. अगर angles के केस में देखेंगे तो angles के में ऐसा possible है कि दो angles का sum थर्ड से बड़ा ना आए, यानी कि छोटा आ जाए. It is possible. Angles के केस में ऐसा हो सकता है. हो क्या सकता है? जनरली हो जाता है, कई बार हो जाता है ऐसा. So this is an obtuse angle triangle. Obviously इसमें दोनों angles का sum जो है वो थर्ड वाले से छोटा है. But sides में कभी ऐसा नहीं होगा. If you add any two sides, then the sum of two sides will always be greater than the third side. अब ऐसा भी पॉसिबल नहीं है कि दो साइड्स को ऐड करेंगे तो वो थर्ड साइड के इक्वल आएगा. इक्वल भी नहीं आएगा. छोटा तो छोड़ दीजिए, इक्वल भी नहीं आएगा, हमेशा बड़ा ही आएगा. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? एनी अदर डाउट? Anything else?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, if all the three sides are same, sir, then
All the three sides are same, then it is an equilateral triangle. तब भी तो बड़ा है. देख लीजिए दो sides का sum. If this side is 6, this is 6, and this is also 6. It is an equilateral triangle. You add any two sides. 6 plus 6 कितना हो गया? 12 हो गया. तो ये 12 क्या 6 से बड़ा है या नहीं है? मैंने इन दोनों को ऐड करा था अभी. इन दोनों को ऐड करके मिल गया 12. 12 ये थर्ड साइड से बड़ा आ रहा है. Yes, obviously बड़ा. Okay.
so if someone asks to give example, we can give a equilateral example. It will be very easy to justify.
You can give example of any type of triangle. Equilateral triangle का example दीजिए, या isosceles का triangle का example दीजिए, right angle triangle का example दे दीजिए, कोई भी example दीजिए. It will always be true. Okay. Got it?
Sir, equilateral triangle में we have all the angles equal.
Yes,
So we have all the sides also equal.
Yes, we have all the sides also equal. Sides की length कुछ भी हो
Sir.
सकती है, लेकिन angles हमेशा 6 होते हैं. For example, side में भी possible है कि आपकी तीनों sides 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter की होगी. It is possible that all the three sides are 8. All the three sides could be 9, 10, कुछ भी हो सकती हैं. But equal होंगी तीनों sides. And angles हमेशा equilateral triangle में 60 degrees के होते हैं, because their sum is always 180. तो जब तीनों angles
180 degree.
होगा, then obviously each angle will be of 60 degrees. Yeah.
Sir, if any angle side is not equal and its angle is 60 degree, then it can be an equilateral triangle.
It is not possible to have such type of triangle. ऐसा ट्राइंगल बनाना ही पॉसिबल नहीं है जिसमें तीनों एंगल 60 के हों और दो साइड्स इक्वल हो, थर्ड साइड की लेंथ अलग हो जाए. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. अगर आपने ऐसा
Yes,
बना
sir,
दिया
that
तो मैं
was
बनाना
what I think.
मेरे को फिर से एक बार और ये ऐसा कहने का मौका मिल गया. अगर आप ऐसा ट्राइंगल बना के दिखा दें जिसमें two sides are equal and third is not equal and all the three angles are 60 degrees. तीनों एंगल 60 के हैं बट एक साइड की लेंथ अलग है. ऐसा करना पॉसिबल नहीं है, यानी कि अगर ऐसा करके दिखा दिया आपने तो मैं पढ़ाना छोड़ दूंगा। Got it? I got another chance. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
और कोई डाउट बताइए?
No, sir.
बस इतना ही। Okay, so
Sir, do you want to ask any question from us?
yeah, let me just think of a question
Okay, sir.
related to this.
Ready.
Okay, can we have a triangle in which one side is 204 centimeters, one side is 409 centimeters, and one side is 203 centimeters. Is it possible to have such triangle?
No, sir. No, sir.
जिसमें एक साइड 200
No, sir.
सेंटीमीटर्स की हो, सेकंड वाली हो 409 और थर्ड वाली हो 203 सेंटीमीटर. Is it possible to make such type of
No,
triangle?
sir.
As a
No,
triangle?
Sir,
sir.
because 204 and 203 will be 407 and 409 is bigger than it.
Yes.
It can't be
If you
possible.
add these two